It's a new 2019 BMW X3. With its muscle, dashing good looks, and roomy interior, this luxury crossover fuses everyday utility with an elegant demeanor. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, intercooled turbo i6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seats, and abundant cargo space for its size. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.